Hello and happy Halloween! Every year my boyfriend and I, we do couple Halloween costumes. I think every year except for one, we've done a couple's Halloween costume. This year I decided that we were being Wally and Eve, and I'm just going to show you how I made those costumes and what I used. I decided that I was going to be Wally because I have brown hair and I feel like Wally's personality matches my personality more, and my boyfriend Ian is going to be Eve because his personality is much more Eve-like, and he also has really blonde hair and Eve has that all-white look and he's so pale. I mean, like, I'm so pale, but he is like the palest human I've ever met. So that's why we did it that way. We're going to start with my costume, Wally. So the main part of Wally's costume, I wanted to find overalls, which I wear all the time, but I bought these. I'll show you the back for now. So I bought this overall dress from Amazon. This was the color I chose. I know Wally's a little more brown than this like yellow color. So this is what the front of the overalls looks like. It's just stuck on with tape. It got the job done for the party we went to and for the pictures we took. See, it's kind of falling out now. If I was gonna do anything else in this, I would probably glue it on, you know, put a little more effort into making it actually stick. But I'm pretty proud with how this looks. I think it looks really good. It's cute. And then to go underneath this white striped shirt, it's kind of a boxy shirt too. I used this shirt because on Wally's arms, he has like the caution tape kind of, because he's a robot, so it's like, you know, that stuff that's on mechanical things. I don't know what I'm talking about. He has the stripes on his arms, the warning, I'm a robot, I'm working stripes on his arm. So I wore this striped shirt underneath the overalls. That was like the main gist of my Wally costume there. So that was the entire main portion of my costume, but I think what also like sealed the deal was these goggles here. These are my boyfriend's, I borrowed them, and they are like steampunk goggles. And I wore them on top of my head like that, and I also wore pigtails. I kind of wish I wore braids now because I think this is kind of cute, but I wore pigtails and put those on top of my head to be like his little eyes when he goes like meh, 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 meh. Yeah, I think that was a good part of the look. Another little detail that I thought was good, I added this last minute, but I remembered, since my boyfriend's into steampunk, if you couldn't tell from the goggles, but we also got him these gloves last year because he has little claws, I don't know, little claw hands, and this I feel like added more of like just more depth to the costume, really, these little gloves. For shoes, I just wore these combat style boots. These are from Target. I own like a bunch of boots like this because they're my favorite type of boot. And then underneath the dress I wore fishnet stockings because I thought they would kind of look like the tracks of his wheels. For makeup, I borrowed this nail polish from my boyfriend's sister because she owns every OPI nail polish. I just borrowed this bronzy color for my nails, which I'm wearing now, but it's all chipped. I just used that to kind of bring more of that like brown bronze color because I had a lot of yellow going on. I also used this eyeshadow palette on my eyes. It's the Anastasia Beverly Hills Sultry palette. I got this from my friend Atlas for my birthday. I used birch on my crease. I used teak all over my lid. I used a little bit of twig in my inner corner, and then I used steampunk, which is this gold color, this gold shade, as my highlight shade. So I put it like underneath my brow bone and in my inner corner, and I put a lot of it on, and I think that really helped with like making me look more robotic. And then on my lips I just wore this Maybelline shade in Spice. It's just a brown color. So I had a lot of the browns and orangey tones for my makeup. That was my Wally costume done. I'll go on to showing you how I made Eve's costume. For Eve's main outfit, I just needed like an all-white base. So we used a white dress shirt that my boyfriend already owned. I got these white pants at a thrift store. We found them in the women's section, but he has skinny legs, so it's fine. And I also liked this stripe detailing on the side because I just thought that was cool. Made it look kind of more detailed and more robotic. These sneakers, he already owned these. They're just gray, simple. Eve has blue eyes, so I ordered these sunglasses from Amazon. And then the only other part that I needed for Eve was the plant symbol, and we just printed it out and stuck it on his shirt. And that was it. So his costume was really, really easy. So those were our Halloween costumes this year, our couple costume of 2019. I was planning on this costume for a while, and I'm really happy we did it because Wally is a movie that really encompasses both of our personalities. But yeah, that was it. That was our Halloween costumes. I hope you enjoyed this video. I'll link the playlist to my other costume videos I've filmed. Thank you for watching. I hope you like this video. If you want to see more costume videos, please subscribe to my channel. I will continue doing costume cosplay videos year-round because I love doing them. It's a big passion of mine. So subscribe if you want to see more of those. I also do music, so I will be posting a creepy Halloween video tomorrow. A music video tomorrow. I'm very excited. It's edited. It's ready. That's it. That's all I have to say. Follow me on Instagram if you want. I'll put it here. It's at _seeker_mermaid334. There I post my outfit pictures. I post like full pictures of my costumes and everything, so you can follow me there to see more. And I'll see you tomorrow with a spooky music video. Bye!